Come on, sir. We've got our Pennyrile cowpeas to grow. Oh, and I'm going to grab some of my other ones too, my Western Kentucky heirloom ones that I don't know the variety for. Got them. See how they're brown mottled and creamy like that? Oh, and I also got more plant mail. I got a nice little sale. They have a nice little sale going on Shopify, their website too. But I got these for like $3 a plant. TFC nursery. Yeah, that's where I got them from. So I got some Mad Dog skullcaps, some wild bergamot, and some anise hyssop. So I'm very excited to have those. Look at the little flowers on the Mad Dog. But they sent a letter saying that they are greenhouse grown and to harden them off. So that's why they are sitting right here, because I'm hardening them off. So within the next week or two, I'm going to get them put out. But it's summer, so the sun's really intense right now. So I will just play with it. I'm going to leave them there for a day, and then I'll probably move them up here. Yeah, the lazy method. Anyway, about the cowpeas. Okay, so the ship has sailed for me to be out here weeding all this and planting potatoes right now. Maybe one day, but yeah, not happening now. So I've got my corn out here growing. This is the double sweet from Livingston that I've got growing here. And I am going to kind of three sisters this here. Oh, look, I got some little cherry tomatoes growing on my tomato volunteers. Isn't that lovely? Could always use some cherry tomatoes. Oh, them too. And those are actually ripe. I better pick them. So, yeah, I got to come down here and look this morning. It looks like I might have some bell peppers or something growing out there. I know there's hot peppers starting to grow, and I'm not going to pick those yet. I kind of want to take my extra produce and donate them to my local food bank, and there's a website that you could go to find it, and gosh, I can't remember for the life of me what it is, but I'll get an email from them every once in a while. So if I get the link again, I'll try to remember to come back to this video and tag it in the description or the comments or something like that. But yeah, so I got my Pennyrile cowpeas here that I got from Southern Seed Exchange. And then these I got given to me from a local customer here at Rural King that have been passed down to him from the area. So we don't know exactly what these are. AI tells me they're old Joe Clark's. So we all know we can't trust AI. So I sent it to Jeremy McGill, and I think he forgot about me, but that's okay. He's probably busy right now. So I'm gonna go get this planted. Now, I'll be honest, I might have some bodacious coming up in here too. So that'll be interesting to see, because remember earlier this year I had M.I. Gardner bodacious corn seeds, and I put them in there first, and then they didn't germinate when I thought that they should. So I bought fresh seed and was inspired by Colin's Country, who's another YouTuber out of Kentucky. They're planting the same thing, and so I thought, well, we could compare since we bought from the same place, same brand, all that. So that's the direction I went. So it might be two different kinds of corn coming up here. I'm just saying. So a lot of my holes this year did not get filled. I mean, I put seeds in them, and that's why I like to trade and buy seeds a lot, is because germination for me doesn't seem, but of course I leave my seeds out on the porch and everything else so they lose their germination faster. But that's just how it goes, man. So I just roll with it. But, you know, I got some nice, lovely things going on out here. Some melons. That pepper's trying to grow its leaf back. These are, it looks like pepperoncinis. No, that's a bell pepper. That is a fish pepper. I can't remember what dwarfs these are. Probably, gosh, I can't remember. Manitou globe, something like that. That's Woolly Kate. I could tell by the leaves. Look how fuzzy it is. It's going just how it described. So this is Woolly Kate. My Long Island improved Brussels sprouts, which I need to start more seeds for those for fall. That and broccoli. This Brussels sprout plant is just getting eaten up and whatever. I'm just going to pitch it. Then my Buena Mulata peppers are producing nicely. Those are some I'm going to donate and give away for, also for me to use for hot sauce, but I'm going to donate some, give some away, all that fun stuff. Because I still have frozen hot peppers from a couple years ago in the freezer. And okra. I still have okra too. But it looks like I've got a ripe tomato on this. This is probably a Luru ochre. And so that's as big as it gets. Ooh, it's got a rotten fruit on it. Hang on. But see, I didn't get none of this staked up or anything this year. I'm just rolling with it. And whatever I get, I'm going to get. Because I just can't afford to do everything. You know, those look like some serranos. Some Lesia peppers. I think those are the orange ones because me and my coworker have a hard time getting the red ones to germinate. So it's not just me. Then, oh, we gotta pick all these old fruits off. Chuck them. So I did bring a bucket down with me. And then, yeah, I got a bell pepper growing right there, but I'm gonna let that bad boy get bigger till I'm ready to, I got several bell peppers growing. I'm just gonna let them hang in there till I'm ready to use them. But at least I know I have them for recipes now, because if they hang on there, they're just gonna get sweeter and bigger. So that's gonna be awesome. And all of my melons over here are thriving. And I got some zinnias in bloom, finally over here, which is wonderful. Got pollinators floating, going all around the melons too, which is wonderful. There's another zinnia. I like that color a lot. I think that's the same color that's growing out in the pool garden. And then my Aunt Molly's ground cherries are somewhere over here. I don't know, but I don't have anything off of that yet for me to tell. But I thought I planted them over here. Unless they were like right in here and I don't have them. I don't know. But I did have them. Because now it looks like I'm running into peppers again. And then my Casper eggplant. I'm wondering if I didn't pull it out thinking it was a weed because the leaves kind of look dock-like. So, no, those things could have been my fault. It's my second year growing eggplant. So, and the last ones I bought were transplants. I already knew what those were. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get back inside. It's getting humid and summery out. And thank you for stopping by. And I love you. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This side, I've got the Old Joe Clark cowpeas, and then this side is the Pennyrile. So now we'll both know. But thank you all for stopping by. And your hair looks excellent today. I love you, and so does Jesus. God bless y'all.